We are in a conventional fuel car. For example, the protective engine cover, including the frame of the fan inside the water tank. Often the first ones used are nylon and glass fiber. To complete, the first point is that it is relatively costly. The second point is that it has a higher weight. At this point, some people would ask, is there a lower cost and the same heat resistance, the same strength? Yes, there is. For example, PP with LFT, by means of LFT. In this kind of car engine protection cover, or a frame for the water tank fan, by means of LFT, PP is used instead of nylon. At a much lower cost, it is also possible to meet the lightweight requirements of the car, because the density of PP is 0.9. The density of nylon is 1.1. The overall result is a relatively large product. In terms of absolute kilograms and absolute mass, there is another big difference. So this is another way of modifying. This is another case of replacing a high-density material with a low-density material.